Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a toothbrush holder. If I can see it from this brand right here. And for this product, they actually have it in many different sizes, ranging from like small, medium, large, and X large. The one that we got right here is the X large. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can see the product is all nicely wrapped. Well, let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys take out the product, you can definitely see there's some stuff inside right there. Alright, so you see right there, the product guys for these right here, and these are basically the little legs that you put in the bottom to prevent the product from moving around, because it is a non-slip material, which is pretty nice. But right here we have the actual product. Let's take out the wrapper first. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So for this product, they actually have it in two different colors. So whether you get an all black design like the one we have right here, or you get the one that's all silver. But you see on the top part here, they have all these different slots for you to put stuff in here. So maybe you guys want to put your toothpaste, and then your toothbrushes, and then your shaver right here. You can definitely do all that on here. And then we see the inside right here, they provide something else. Let me actually take that out to see what's included inside. So it looks like these are little covers that you can use for a toothbrush. So that's pretty nice of them to actually provide this for you guys, so that way you can keep your product all sanitized and clean. And they provide you guys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these, and they're all different colors. And see in the very bottom on the legs right here, they already have the non-slip material on there. So I guess the other one that's included in the package, those are just extra ones just in case if you guys break it or whatever. But this is basically what the product looks like once we take it out. When you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality stainless steel material that they use on here. I really like the way how they designed the actual product in the bottom, so that way it actually has the opening. So when you guys put your toothpaste, toothbrush, or whatever, it has a little opening in the bottom, so that way the water can leak out in the bottom. And they also mentioned that this product is rust resistant as well, so you don't have to worry about the product rusting over time. But this is basically what the product looks like. Let me show you guys how to set this up and how to use it, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the toothbrush holder. Let me just test it out and show you guys how it works. So I'm gonna put my toothbrush inside right here first. And then I have one of these tongue scrapers right here. If you can see the bottom part right here, it actually goes through, which is not a big issue because it's still holding up right here to actually keep it up. And right here I have my toothpaste. So you can see this part right here is pretty big. So if I wanted to, I can even go like this and just put it right there if I wanted to. And if I want to put other stuff here, I definitely can. So let's say for example, I want to put my soap. I can definitely fit my soap inside right there, which is pretty nice. And then I still have this slot right here if I want to put stuff as well. So let's say I want to put my other stuff right here. You can see how it's very spacious, and definitely put a lot of stuff inside right here. And that way everything is all organized as well. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys set it up. And like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to use like the toothbrush covers, you definitely can. But I don't need to use it for mine because I already have one right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw a quick test of the product, and definitely see it actually does work and it's quite well. Super easy to use the product, if you didn't see. I definitely love the way how to design the product so that way it actually has a big opening for you guys to put like your electric toothbrush. The old one that I have from different brand, I couldn't put like the electric toothbrush inside because it's so small. Whereas for this one right here, they have big ones and small ones. So if you guys want to put like a regular toothbrush and like the electric toothbrush, you definitely have the option to use both. And on top of that, you can definitely put like your toothpaste and etc. inside right here as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a toothbrush holder that's big enough for you guys to put multiple stuff in here, ranging from like regular toothbrush, electric toothbrush, toothpaste, and the list goes on. If you guys are trying to look for something that has all that slot available for you guys and so much more, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.